Let's unbox and see how well these clippers work. There's a large size cape included with the strings in the back. We have 2 storage bags, one for each clipper. We have our manual. Each clipper has their own power cord, but you'll need your USB base. We have a little scissors, it's very sharp. We have a neck brush, lots of guards, some oil, and a little brush to clean your clippers. And here's a tool unit. This is the large one, and it looks really nice and feels really good. They both come fully charged, and this is the small one, and they both feel really good. And it's not too loud, and there's hardly any vibration. Now here's all my pieces. I'm going to cut my husband's hair and see how well it works. And he was getting real bored, y'all. I took too long, but the machine does work and it's quite impressive. Now it's time for me to replace all my old machine that I've been working with. I mean, I'm not a barber, I'm no professional, I just cut everyone's hair in the house. But I'm really slow. He was actually falling asleep on me. So I think it's a really good machine and the battery life lasts a long time. Even though I was moving really slow, the battery only went to 84% when I was done.